Let's talk about the EU pay transparency law. What is it and why should you know about it? I actually made a video 6 months ago, and back then it was just a plan, right? Companies and countries were preparing for it. But now, have they done the preparation? Are they ready for this big shift? My name is Victoria and I have been in tech recruitment for more than 15 years. And I started this channel because I can see a big gap in terms of knowledge of interview techniques and soft skills within the tech industry. And my job is to help you and to make you more successful in job interviews or to help you in salary negotiations. And this video is going to be about a huge shift which is happening in the European Union, and this law will come into effect on the 7th of June. So it's just a couple of days left and it's here. What is this law about and why is it good for you? I will share with you 3 things that you can implement from the 7th of June. Number 1 is that you can and you should ask for the salary range or the starting salary right before the interview, very early in the process. You don't have to wait 2, 3, 4 interviews and then you get to know the salary, right? It's really frustrating when you're doing the whole interview rounds and then it turns out that they cannot actually give the amount that you desire. Number 2 is that employers cannot ask you about your current salary. Number 3, you can compare your salary with your colleagues and with the market openly. But this is real life, so this will not look exactly the same in every EU country from day one. As far as I know, a few countries have succeeded and they will start this law on the 7th of June, like Italy, Lithuania, Malta, Slovakia. And there are a few other countries that will be delayed. As far as I know, again, it's France, Netherlands, Sweden, Denmark. Expect some delays, expect that it's not going to go smoothly, but I want you to know that you still have the right to ask for it. So the key takeaway that this is a great opportunity for you if you want to negotiate better with the companies. So you have the cards, right? But you still have to learn how to play them. Knowing the salary range can be only useful if you know your value in it, right? So if you're targeting the higher end of the range, then you have to know why and how you can defend yourself, right? If they push back. So this is a skill that we can practice. I'm offering a lot of tips. You can check it on my website. And of course, I'm going to share a few more tips in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.